Today I'm going to show you our AI search tool available on idxaddons.com. This tool is incredibly powerful because it allows your website visitors to search for properties using natural language, just like having a conversation. For example, I searched for homes in Miami Beach with 4 bedrooms under $1 million, and these are the results. Setting it up is very simple. Just go to the apps page, find the AI search tool, and copy the code snippet. Then, paste it into the page on your website where you want the widget to appear. In this example, I'm using a HighLevel website, so I simply add a custom code element, paste the snippet, and save the changes. You might notice this microphone icon here. That's right. You can also search using your voice, making the experience even more flexible and user-friendly. This is a free tool, exclusive to our HighLevel affiliate clients who have an IDX Broker account and use RealtyCandy as their developer partner. And we're just getting started. We'll be rolling out even more features for our affiliates in the coming weeks. Best of all, you can start using it completely free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. See you in the next video.